Lorex continues to innovate with the introduction of a new bullet-style camera to its IP 2K lineup. The LNB4173 is housed in a full metal heavy-duty aluminum chassis, the same material used in the construction of airplanes. It can be mounted vertically or horizontally, indoors or outdoors. The base of the camera has foam backing to ensure a weather-tight seal if mounted outside. The cable notch allows an exit for surface mounting. The solid metal chrome articulating ball allows the user to easily adjust the angle and direction that the camera is pointing. The 4173 is fully weatherproof and is IP66 rated and can operate in temperatures as low as -22 Fahrenheit to as high as 140 degrees Fahrenheit. The camera itself is a 4 megapixel sensor offering 2K resolution, double that of HD 1080p. The 4173 utilizes PoE or Power over Ethernet with the need for only one cable to supply power, video, and audio if available. The 4173 is equipped with 18 infrared LEDs, which allows the camera to provide up to 130 feet of night vision and a large field of view of 83 degrees, ideal for wide open areas like a backyard. The 4173 is packed with features including HDR or high dynamic range technology. This ensures the system can capture the broadest range of visual details from dark to light. The camera is also equipped with DNR or digital noise reduction to filter out noise created from low light settings. DNR not only reduces noise but can also reduce the video file sizes on the storage device. Like many Lorex cameras, the LNB4173 employs HEVC or High Efficiency Video Codec H.265, which helps to keep file sizes small yet maintain high video quality. Included in the package are mounting screws and hollow wall anchors, a template for hole placement, a quick start guide outlining safety precautions and installation options, a 24-hour surveillance window sticker, and a 100-foot Cat5e cable are both included in the kit. The cable features a secure locking connector to prevent accidental disconnection. The Lorex LNB4173 is a feature-packed professional-grade camera for all your security needs.